Alright guys, I wasn't planning on making a video today, but John decided to come over, so, you know, we're hanging out, and I don't know why I did this, but I pulled out my winch line, and when I pulled out my winch line, the motor didn't work. So I was like, alright, maybe I have a bad connection to battery, or maybe something like that happened. Alright, it wasn't that. Rerouted all the winch wire, that didn't work, and then I realized that my motor ground disconnected and broke somehow, so it forced me to take pretty much my whole bumper apart, minus taking the bumper off, and we're gonna go get a crimp to fix this, because that should be an easy fix. No need to call Warren and complain about something that's not really their fault, it's just weather. So yeah, that's annoying.
Waiting for the answers to the universe. Waiting for someone to wake me up. Tell me that this is all just a dream. I'm still waiting. Waiting for a different sign. Waiting for someone to take me away. Get these thoughts off my mind. As I wait, thinking of you. Hoping that you are thinking of me too. I cannot sleep without you by me, and I miss you, I miss you, I miss you. That is why I've been waiting for someone like you. That is why I've been waiting for someone like you.
Okay. Ew, look at this. Just look at all the salt. Like, I know it's a winch, and like, but dude, gross. How'd that get through all of the rope and then sit there? Like, what? How is that possible? Okay, now.
Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't
I don't even know if I'm gonna frame right now, but I got my receipt. I'm gonna take the nut feet out of here so I don't lose them. I'm gonna keep them with the bolts. I semi-cleaned this up. I'm kind of amazed with how much salt there was in there, but whatever. I'll clean it up a lot better when I get it back, before I put the rope back on. Now to figure out how to package this thing. So luckily, like I said, I kept John's box here. Come on. That's tight. Can't forget this. Yeah, can't forget that. I'm an idiot. There was a number I was supposed to write on that thing, on that piece of paper. I took a picture of it on my phone. I didn't write it down on the piece of paper. So now I have to open the box, repackage the box. I'm an idiot. I'm such an idiot. Alright, I'm at Staples. I have to lug this fucking thing in. So, I'm not bringing you in with me because that would just make it more of a pain. But, I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. So, that wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be. That was a grand total of $73. And I insured it for $1,300, so the insurance cost a little bit there. It wasn't as bad, but the very nice woman at the counter gave me a 10% off. So really, it only cost me $63.99 to ship my winch. Being that the winch was about 66 pounds, I think that's a pretty good deal, so I don't think I got screwed. So I was expecting that to be a lot more. I'm pretty happy about that. So now you guys know how much it costs to ship a winch from Massachusetts to Pennsylvania. So I mean, take that with a grain of salt for whatever. You know what I'm talking about. We're gonna be back at the house soon. All right, I'm back. So as annoyed as I am that my winch broke from Warren, one of probably the most reputable winch companies there is on the market, it is what it is. And what I'm gonna say is it leads me into the ability to do some things that I've been meaning to do, and now it almost, I'm not gonna say it forces me to do them, but it definitely makes more sense to do them now as opposed to waiting. Since the winch is off, I have the skid plate off, it makes sense. So I'm going to take my lights out, and I'm probably going to take my bumper off. And the powder coat on this didn't come out very well. It's chipping in a lot of places. It does not look good. So I think this is going to get sandblasted and re-powder coated to match the rear bumper. No, you're still recording. Battery's about to die. So it's gonna get powder coated to match this. This is like a nice glossy black when it's clean. Emphasis on when it's clean. There's also a new rear bumper right there because, well, this tire carrier is crooked, so JCR sent me a new one so we can fix it. I've been busy and I still need to rip that all apart, take the front bumper off, find out what color that is, and then send out the skid plate and the front bumper to get powder coated. Probably from my guy at Prep Right, since he's done all my other powder coating jobs and he does a fantastic job of it. So yeah, that might be it for today's video. I don't know. I haven't decided yet. Also, it gives me an excuse to clean my winch rope, which I've been meaning to do anyways. So I'm probably going to do a video on how to properly clean a winch rope. So stay tuned for that, guys. Alright guys, that's going to be it for today's video. So a couple big things. I just want to remind you that new name change is coming to the channel. That didn't just like change because I haven't said anything in a couple videos. It's still happening. Be aware of that. As well as with that new bumper I have, I was thinking about doing a live. If you guys want to ask me a bunch of questions or something and want me to do a live install, I think that'd be kind of cool. Be able to engage with you guys a little bit. Me and Ryan were playing around with that idea, trying to figure out how to do it. I think it'd be cool. I don't know if you guys are into that, but if you're interested in it, leave it down in the comment section below. With that being said, guys, please like, share, comment, subscribe. The likes really help because the more you guys like my videos, the more YouTube suggests them for other people to see. So the more the channel will grow, the more the videos will get out there. So I really appreciate it. Subscribe to the channel. Comment on the video if you like something, if you don't like something, if you think I'm an idiot, by all means, whatever, do what you gotta do. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.
But it's too late now. I remember for you and me, and how careless we could be.
All day and all night, we'd stay up, it felt so right.